Discover the easiest way to make $100 per day online. One way to make $100 a day is by simply creating or selling a $100, I prefer $97, $100 product. This has always been my easiest, most natural way to make $100 a day via organic listings in the search engines, YouTube, or by buying traffic. But I will go in deeper than just that. Hi, Lee Casano here from ReprintRightsBiz.com, and welcome. I have been selling online since 2004 and by mail since 1995. You can collect leads using landing pages or put a squeeze page form on your sales page. You can make your best money simply by growing your email list and marketing to it regularly. Email marketing is proven to be your best return on investment for your labor. You can give free stuff away. The easiest is a free report similar to this one in exchange for a fresh email lead, and you can do this over and over again to build your list. Sell stuff people actually want. One of the easiest is products that they can sell too. You can do this through having an affiliate program or by selling products that come with reprint, resell, or PLR rights. Some people say don't make a mountain out of a molehill, meaning don't make a big deal out of something trivial. But you can also reverse that with needful content or something you want to make a big deal out of, simply by creating a small product that leads to the sale of something like an info product or an affiliate offer. You can also do upsells to make an extra $100 a day. You could offer some new thing just by adding an upsell page. If they say no, you take them to their product page. If they say yes to your extra upsell offer, you can take them to their download page for both their original purchase and the upsell purchase. Why settle for just a $97 order when you can increase it by $50 or $100 or more? Statistics show that as much as 40% of your customers will choose a related upsell offer. When it comes to creating and selling content or info products, start with something you know how to make money doing or just know a lot about. For me, it was my house painting business. For someone else, it could be building guitar amps, etc. If you don't have content or a niche, there is a wide variety of reprint, resell, or PLR products to offer people. There are a wide variety of proven niche products. You can take a reprint, resell, or private label product, buy the rights, and change it to look and read like it's your own product, which is recommended. Using content related to your target product is the main tool used to build a list or to sell something. You are building up an audience who might buy your stuff. Call it advertising to millions. You can do it with recipes, computer software, etc. Selling an inexpensive impulse item works too. Then go for the biggie on the back end. You can teach and promote small reports about direct marketing and have lots to talk about to attract buyers for your main web page product. This is why they say content is king. I have tons of small reports and products that can be used to get readers and customers and to stimulate your thinking and your creativity at ReprintRightsBiz.com. No job-robbing AI is needed. You can just be you. Of all things suggested here, please remember to build your own in-house email list along the way. With your own email list, you can make as much as $300 a day or more, depending on what you're offering up front and on the back end instead of just $100 a day. I don't just write this stuff. and gain traffic and sales. It helps me to learn more too. Cheers, Lee. P.S. Need a professional looking website? Check out this link where it says show more below.